Bazalwane, uze wathi umbhali la uthi what is a sinner? Uthi abantwana baphendula wathi a sinner is a man who sins. Uthi no. A sinner is not just a sinner is a man born of a woman and a man. A sinner is a person born of a man and a woman. If uzalwe ngemvelo yowesifazane nembewu yowesilisa uyisoni. So you do not only need the message of salvation, you also need the message of the cross. Yes, the cross that I will die in will minister to you, but you also need to pick up your cross. Because we deal with the acts and we deal with the nature. But izenzo are a product of who you are. They are a product of the nature invested in you by the first Adam. Just as how we have inherited righteousness, and get to see, God, Christ Jesus, we were made holy. By the first Adam, we were made sinners. So umuntu ayedwa ayikho into angayenza to make himself holy. It is blasphemy to tell men and women ukuthi impahla zokugqoka zenza umuntu abe ngcwele. It is blasphemy to tell women ukuthi ukuyeka ukugcola is what will make you holy. Before we enter the earth, God needs to deal with the nature of a man. And the cross is what deals with the nature of that man. Apostle Paul ingakho sabethelwa kanye noKristu. Akazange bethelelwe thina. Wabethelwa kanye nathi. Ilento zokudeliverisha from the gospel of unbalanced grace that tells you that he did it all, but it forgets to tell you ukuthi uPaul uyasho ukuthi usuku nosuku nami ngiyayibethela inyama yami ukuze bazalwane uzathi bazalwane ningathi senigijime kangaka kube khona onami ukumkhala ngoba you have a nature in you ayenza ukuthi uthi usushumayelile uthi usunikelile namhlanje washo ukuthi umzali mawuvuka there's a nature in your flesh that needs the cross. It needs the cross every day. It needs the cross every day. It needs the cross every day. As I was listening to Jackie Hill, and she said, you know, sometimes I am married, I love my husband, I have children. She struggled with homosexuality, but some days I still struggle. But I tell myself that this body is the temple of the Lord, and I nail it on the cross. It is not that I'm nazinkanugo. It is not that I'm not tempted, but I nail it on the cross. It is the cross that achieves Christ in you. It is the cross that achieves. Uyabona umyalezo wesalvation uthi woza. Then the cross says this must die. This no place. We don't have these things here. In fact, it does not. It says you people like you don't live. We kill them. There's no renovating the nature of sin. That's uzathi ngathi uNkulunkulu wayebona ukuthi abantu bazofikelwa isikhathi labethi hayi ulungile wathi ukulunga kwemvelo kuyidwedwe ibolile. It is not enough that you have a good heart, you give to the poor. Kumele ufe maqondana nawe and be resurrected with Christ. Kufanele uvume even with your good acts that they are not enough to save me. They are not enough.